What is azelaic acid? Ang azelaic acid ay isang skincare ingredient na naturally occurring sa mga grains gaya ng mga wheat, barley, and rye. Isa rin siyang very useful na ingredient sa skincare because it can address a lot of different skin concerns. And this is because azelaic acid has a lot of different properties na very useful for the skin. Dermatologists use azelaic acid as a way to brighten dark spots, to help fade red marks, and also to help treat mild to moderate acne as well as rosacea. If you just want to try azelaic acid as a booster sa skincare routine niyo, you can still do that and you can get it in lower strengths sa mga over-the-counter products. A good example of this na locally available and very accessible dito sa Pilipinas is the proudly local Ellana Cosmetics. This is their Clear Skin Plus Clarifying Skin Serum. This one has 10% of an azelaic acid derivative plus meron na rin siyang green tea and centella extract to help soothe the skin. But do not forget, as with all products, hindi to gagana kapag hindi ka gumamit ng sunscreen.